Welcome to this quick video on the shifts in TAGTOUGH Online. This is pretty comprehensive, this whole section, so I'm just going to go through some of the simple things with regards to the shifts and what most people will use. So let's start with you go to quick setup and then shifts, and then you should see this page for the shifts. You can see all your shifts listed here, and don't worry about the notifications for now, that's in another video. If you want to add a new shift, you can click add new shift. And for now, I'm just going to choose the basic patrolling, which is the default. These ones, again, future video. First thing is a shift name. So for example, day shift or night shift or a public holiday shift or something like that that you might want to put in. You're going to select which site this belongs to. Then you need to choose how long the shift is. Now, by default, it just choose 24 hours. I would recommend you don't use 24 hours. It's better to have a day shift and night shift, for example, because that way you will have a start of shift and end of shift, which helps a little bit with the reports. So I would untick that and then choose your start time and end time. For example, 6 in the morning over here till 6 in the evening over here for day shift, if you put day shift in here. So I've put my shift in here. I've got brown source tables in here. Not 24 hours. I'm doing a start time of, let's say, 6 in the morning to 6 in the evening. And we say the guards only patrol on the weekends during the day. And then what you would do is you would have a separate one for night shift, for example. It says night shift all the time. Then we've got a thing over here called round time. We've set it for 60 minutes. That's basically how long the guard is going to patrol. I'm going to change this a little bit just to make it different. Let's say 45 minutes. Because then on the top here I can put rest time in of, let's say, 15 minutes. So now we've given the guards a round time of 45 minutes and rest time 15 minutes. You don't obviously have to put any of these advanced options in, but they are there. And then you've got maximum time before first point, which you can put in there so it can alert you if they did not actually start the patrol. And then fastest round time if they're running. We've also got a leeway percentage. So if you are happy with them doing 80% of the patrol and considering that full patrol, then you can do that as well. Just a last little note on fixed timing. So fixed timing, if you've got it enabled as it is here, will work as most people expect the patrols to work. So if the start time is 6 o'clock, then at 6:45 you'll start rest time, and then at 7 o'clock you'll start the next patrol, carrying on going like that. If you do not choose fixed time, I'd only recommend you do this if you've got an SMU which has a screen showing the guard when patrol starts. Because what happens then is, instead of the patrol ending at 45 minutes, it will end when the leeway is achieved. So for example, at 100%, once they've clocked all the points, if they do, for example, clock all the points by 6:15, then the rest time will start at 6:15, and the next patrol would start at 6:30 in this scenario. That stops guards from running their patrols, but it's good for the guard to know when the patrol starts. So then you would need a device like the SMU with a screen or our RU unit, which can make alerts to tell them that. That's all for the basics of the shifts. If you want to know more about some of the other options, stay tuned. Next video will show you that.